What's up guys, and welcome to my series on Cornwall. Now we've all been in lockdown and we've all thought about going on a staycation, and I can tell you that Cornwall is an absolutely beautiful and amazing place. Now I must say, this was meant to be a series, but I ended up dropping my GoPro right in the middle of the ocean, so please give this video a big thumbs up for sympathy of me and my channel and my beloved GoPro. I didn't restore any of the footage, but listen, this is what I've got, and this video is absolutely sick, so stick to the end and give me a subscribe if you really like it and you want to see more travel videos like this. Okay, alright, I'm going to stop rambling on now, roll the vlog, see you later guys, bye! Okay guys, so I thought I'd give you a little tour of our camp. We finally set up. It has taken ages. I spent about an hour untangling these lights, but so this is our living room, effectively. So this is our kitchen, little station here. We've got our toaster, we've got our kettle, and we've got our speaker, all my chargers and things, little bunch of food over there, and then through here is our bedroom. So, oh, hello Jay, nice to see you there. Is it comfy in there?
Really comfy.
Do you know what? This is making you look like, you know, one of them adverts, like a Andrex advert. There you go. So if we come out here, we've got our little garden area. So we've got our deck chairs. We've got this really expensive umbrella that we bought from Lidl for £5. So go and get your bargain. We've also got these chairs here. So yeah, hopefully we're going to settle in for tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to start adventuring out, I think. Alright, so we've just set up camp and we decided to take a little venture out in the car to find the beach. We want to feel like we're on holiday, so we're going to find the closest beach, which is, what's it called? It's St Ives, but the beach is called the Torrin.
To be confirmed.
To be confirmed. I'm awful with names. So yeah, we'll show you what it's like when we get there. Good morning everyone, say hi. Hi. He's just making sandwiches for us because we went a bit wild last night. We had a wicked day yesterday, and then we met up with Jay's friend and we ended up going into the sea, getting a little bit tipsy on orange juice, and yeah, now this morning we've got a bit of sore heads, but we're okay. We're gonna.
This morning it's now afternoon.
It's now afternoon, but we're gonna make some lunch because we're gonna go seal hunting today because the weather is so gloomy. It's grey outside, and tomorrow it's probably gonna rain. We've got something planned for tomorrow, but for today we can't really do much. So we're gonna go seal hunting because if anything likes wet and rain, it's seals. So we're gonna see if we can find any. Wait, say that again, Jay. We will seal you in a minute. Yeah, okay, we'll see what we can find. So first of all, we're going to grab our bikes because yesterday we went to meet Jay's friend, as I said before, but we left our bikes there because we literally cycled the whole of Cornwall. That felt like, I think we did about 15 miles cycling yesterday.
Give me something good.
I think it's too foggy to go looking for seals. Don't you think, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a look at the road. Anyway, we're on the top of this mountain at the moment. It's so scary. So we didn't go and see any seals because we thought the weather was a bit shit. But we decided to come to the beach because we're on a holiday. We don't care if we have to wear body warmers. Ain't no weather ruining our holiday. I think if we jumped, like, it would be quite a soft landing.
I'm okay to jump.
You don't want to jump. Let's see how far. We see how far it goes. Whoa, damn!
How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too
A long way down. Maybe next time when we'll get one of them kites. Babe, you cannot wear your hat like that. You look like Eminem. No, but in a really, really uncool way.
The wind keeps blowing it off.
You look
so
like
I'm
a 70-year-old dad trying to pretend to be Eminem. Doesn't look great. Oh, it looks better now. There we go.
wasted youth, wasted love.
So guys, we're at Gwithian Beach at the moment, right? This is a really good view. If you park at the top, there's like signs towards Gwithian Cafe, and if you park there, all we've literally done is like show the camera to the car park. It's a bit windy, but on a good day I'm sure it's going to be really, really beautiful. Look at that! We finally made it down to the beach, and it is absolutely massive. The tide is, what did you say it was? Low tide. Low tide, so it's really far out. We're just trying to get closer to the water because the waves are massive, and this is sort of where we're going to do our surf lesson eventually. So we're going to check them out, and none of us have been surfing before, so we're going to try and intimidate ourselves before we go. Look at this beach! Look at all the jellyfish! We decided to have a little nap on the beach, but as you can hear it's really windy. But the beautiful thing is, we did wake up to the sunshine! We walked for bloody miles though, so we've got to walk back, which is like absolutely dreading it. So we've decided to play golf at a driving range. Never done this before. And as we do it, the sun comes out. How annoying. Blame the player.
Oh.
Gotta work on my swing. Gotta do my own thing. I just whacked my head with it. It rolled on the floor. So I'm recording on my phone now because we just finished co-steering, and someone dropped the GoPro in the middle of the ocean. And I'm laughing, but I'm doing this footage with it in mind that we'll have the footage back because we're going to go and look for that GoPro. We're going to go snorkeling and find it.
We go for a kayak.
Idiot.
Oh, don't. Right. Before she started filming, she was like, don't worry about it, we're sure to get it back. Blah, blah,
No, I
blah,
just
blah.
need to relax.
And now the camera's out, she's like, what an idiot. What an idiot.
You know this isn't going in, so...
It is.
No, it's not.
No, it is,
No, it's
yeah.
not.
Yeah, because
I'm
I only just
stopping it
started
now.
getting used to looking into the actual camera and not myself.
I'm stopping
I
it
think
now.
I'm doing really well.
I'm stopping it now. Goodbye.
I've learned.
Bye.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.